Liam is an engineer and multi-exit founder, spanning AI and XR. His notable adventures include Ethereal Engine, Midscoop Labs, LifeScope. In 2015, he launched Companion Intelligence as an open source platform for building personal digital memory databases, culminating in the 2019 release of the LifeScope Time Machine, which enabled global time travel to one's history through AR and VR. Under Laguna Labs, Liam co-created Ethereal Engine, a leading web XR 3D engine, later acquired by Infinite Reality in 2024. Now with Companion Intelligence, he offers CI private servers, empowering users and businesses to deploy personal, privacy-focused AI agents with trust and control. Please join me in welcoming Liam Broza for his talk, Companion Intelligence, powered by our digital memory.
My name is Liam Broza. I am the co-founder and CEO of Companion Intelligence, and we are building the agent that only reports to you. Now I can present. So I'm going to start off here with a fun video that we made in 2018, introducing the world to the idea of the digital memory. We kind of jokingly say this is probably how the Pentagon is right now. So let's see if you guys can try to make sense.
And on top of that, they're rebelling. Gentlemen, the people we get our data from are revolting. And on top of that, they're rebelling. Our data dominance has seen very few threats in the 21st century, but not since the hamster dance Illuminati incident. Have I seen anything like this?
LifeScopium?
LifeScope.
Operator, get me Klondike, 521.
Perplexa, what is LifeScope?
Okay, I set a reminder to wife swap.
Look, gentlemen, I think our only hope here is to beat this thing.
I've sent each of you a threat assessment analysis.
Okay.
Did any of you get my message?
Perplexa, search my email.
Okay, searching the internet for jet ski fails.
Did you send this in an email or text, Messenger, Slack, LinkedIn, Twitter DM, Instagram?
If it didn't come by telegraph, I probably didn't get it.
WhatsApp?
Did you send it to my home email or my work email? I can't get my home email at work.
I sent a calendar invite.
Check my iCalendar checks Outlook requests from the Samsung calendar attached to my Gmail.
This is exactly one of the problems that LifeScope solves. LifeScope lets you see your digital personal history across your devices, services, and the web. Explore, curate, and share any person, place, physical thing, or digital content. It's a free, open source, personal data management system.
Oh, free, like cable and internet are free. I mean, they're free to sell your information. No. Free with ads.
Free as in freedom to control your own data. There are no ads. They don't sell their customers' information.
They're stealing the data that we stole. Yeah, and without them, who are we? Who am I? Perplexa, search for the philosopher Rene Descartes.
Dr. Dre added to cart.
How did someone catch this freedom? People don't care about freedom. They care about popularity and likes and redefining the term friend.
People aren't as interested in likes as they are in privacy lately.
Oh, right. And I wonder who screwed that up for everyone.
LifeScope makes your life searchable. I can see a real-time view of my life with answers to important questions at my fingertips.
Big deal. I got every answer I need right here. Perplexa, get tickets for tonight's game. Warriors versus Lakers.
Okay, I made an appointment to play cricket with Evangelist Quakers.
No, this searches your data. It combines all social media with your contacts and geolocation data to search for people, places, photos, events, and maps in the same way that you think and live. It's the internet of you.
Personal information is too important to be left to humans. We need to block it so no one else can see it.
But me.
It's open source, which means it's trustworthy and secure. And you can operate LifeScope anywhere, on any device.
Android?
Yes.
iPhone?
Yes.
Mac?
Yes.
Windows?
Yes.
Web?
Yes.
Does it work in the metaverse?
Yes.
You sure know a lot about LifeScope.
Again, I emailed all of this.
Well, I didn't get it.
I still don't get it. How are we gonna solve this whole email thing?
There's only one option. We must all use LifeScope.
Hey, internet, you get me LifeScope?
Okay. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. How I want to be in that number.
Well, thanks everybody. So yeah, that was back in 2018. We made that, really trying to teach people about the mess that their data was in, the fact that it was owned by large corporations, and we didn't have control over it. And as you can probably guess, it used to be called LifeScope, the digital memory engine, and this was all pre-AI. We were really focused on this idea of a digital memory, of an ability for anyone to build their own personal database, to go out to all the devices, all the services they use, go through their web browser, and actually build themselves, to take back their data and build themselves a database of everywhere they go, everyone they know, everything physical in the world that they own or interact with, anything digital in the world that they create and consume, and then put that together on a timeline as 5 simple lists that are just auto-magically updated. Think of it as their autobiography. And we've taken that tool chain we've worked on for over a decade now and really built it into a platform that's super easy to use. Just go to companionintelligence.com and you can sign up for a cloud service or pull down our open tools and build your own self-hosted server. And not only can you collect, organize, and store the information, but you can present it as well. As you saw there, you can see your information as a list, a feed, a map. And we've gone much farther. Really, in the last year, we've reincarnated this project in the age of what's coming. I'm sure you've all seen Microsoft Copilot and Apple Intelligence coming along, doing many similar things, and purporting just like Apple. We're going to have secure enclaves, and the data is going to be perfectly safe in the private hosted cloud. And there'll be great encryption. They'll store it for you. Well, that's already falling down. So this is probably one of the most earth-shaking headlines in data privacy in the last decade, which is the UK government and the EU are trying to get rid of end-to-end encryption. They're trying to get a backdoor into the iCloud, which is the backbone of Apple Intelligence and everything else. So where do we go from here? Because just as in 2007, you needed the iPhone came out, and by 2010, if you didn't have a smartphone, you weren't getting on Tinder, you weren't going to Instacart, you weren't getting in an Uber. You had to get a smartphone to participate in this society. And the same thing's going to happen with personal AI. In the next few years, you're going to have a Microsoft Copilot or a Google or a Samsung Galaxy AI or Apple Intelligence, or you're going to be a market disadvantage, getting a job, getting a girlfriend, getting access to services. And they're purportedly free, right? But they're not free. They're just as capable as Copilot or Apple Intelligence, but more capable, more flexible, and can run off your own home server, can be extended. So this is just a little bit of our interface. You can sign up, you connect, it starts finding you insights, and then you can talk to agents. I'm running low on time, but you can come find me, you can talk to my agent, and ask him what I should do today. And say, oh, you have an exercise, you should go on a hike, you should invite your friend Kevin, you haven't seen for a while, and they do a playlist for you and your girlfriend. You should go to this restaurant. And we have this stuff today. I'm really passionate about agents being embodied, being anthropomorphized, being human and have personalities. We've been building that as well. They're called embodied agents. So An embodied agent won't just be like on a screen you see there. It can actually be through glasses. These are X-Real Ultras. These are mixed reality glasses that I can actually use. My house is an agent. I have these Navicasa rigs in my house that allow my entire house to be an interactive agent. And they can be embodied in other ways. Like the drone right here pops right out. I can talk to it from my Apple Watch. I brought all these toys to play around with and show you. But these are the types of stacks that we're going to have here in the next few years, where these embodied AI agents will be all around us all the time. And I want my solutions to go back to my personal AI server, not just some cloud I don't control. When my AI sees through my eyes, I want it to be private to me, right? Not to Meta's cloud or anything like that. And that's the infrastructure we're building here today. And you can come to Companion Intelligence and actually buy a server right now. So these beautiful servers that we actually have for sale, they come with an entire agent workbench, the digital memory tools, the agent tools built in. And we have even enterprise clients running off these personal server workloads. Like this one right here is actually 15 times cheaper than a comparable server up on AWS. And if you can't buy it up front, we actually have financing that starts as little as $113 a month to get you off the cloud while still being able to engage in the AI race. As I said, we are not just the open source alternative to the major personal AIs. We're a superior AI solution for everyday people. And I can get into the details. And I'm low on time, but you can learn more and reach out to me, and I'll be showing stuff off. We have a few more minutes. I can keep going. Okay, I have a few extra slides.
You got 30 seconds.
I got 30 seconds. I'll just leave you guys with this, just back to my first point. Imagine in 2026, you're going to go sit down and get a job, and you're up against somebody you have a $15 a month AI or no AI at all, and the other guy going for your job is paying the $200 a month Apple, OpenAI Pro plan with a $2,000 a month plan. To stay competitive, not only do you have to use AI, you have to buy the best AI and give all of your data to this AI, right? Because that inputs are outputs. For Apple Intelligence to work best, it needs to know the most about you. And that's going to be the game theory that we're going to push into. Not just push into paying for AI, but push it over giving everything to these AIs so that we can stay between a doorbell and a new home kit. That is their landing pad. It's their front where they're going to push this revolution, this surveillance for intelligence revolution on all of us. And it needs to be alternative. We're here with Kwaai on this fight for alternative. So thank you guys.